Welcome in the sewing room. Oh, there's a bug. A bug. I think it's a stink bug. I wish he'd go away. I don't want to smell him. Well, we're just 11 days till Christmas now, you all. Just 11 days. Yes, we are. We got to pick our stocking. Let's see which one are we going to pick. Let's try this one. Look at that one. It's got a string on it. Let's cut it off. I don't care how hard I try. I always leave strings on something. Do y'all do that? I do. Let's see what's on this little piece of paper. It's in this one. Diagonal seam tape. Amazon. A pack of 4 for $7.89. I'm going to bring y'all over here and show you what you do with it. I've got two things on my machine here. I've got this seemingly accurate that goes up to 5 inches from my needle. And then I put my 1/4 inch seam tape right here. That red right there is your needle position, okay? This is a 1/4 inch on this side and a 1/4 inch on this side. And what that does is, if you're sewing half square triangles, which a lot of quilt patterns use half square triangles, you can lay, oh, that's for something else we're going to do in a minute. But we could still make one right here. You lay this down just like this. And you put this right here, a 1/4 inch over. So you're sewing a 1/4 inch seam down this side and a 1/4 inch seam down this side. Then you cut it right through the center, okay? Let me see if I can set y'all down here and show y'all what I mean. All right, so what we're going to do is we are going to set our points on the 1/4 inch line, okay? Because we want our seam a 1/4 inch from that. All right, so we want to set our point right here. And we just want to follow that all the way up. Oh, I've got it on a zigzag stitch. Right like that. And then you want to turn it and go the other direction. Put your point on this side of the 1/4 inch seam. Just like that. See, it's right there on the 1/4 inch seam mark. Go right straight up through there. And cut right up through the middle. And just like that, without marking or anything, you've got 2 half square triangles. See that? 2 matching half square triangles. Just like that. That is what that is for. And it is very handy to have. And it's basically just like a washi tape. It'll peel on and off as it wears, and you get to where you can't see it very well. That is what that is for. A lot of people don't understand it, don't know how to use it. It's really simple, like I said. Cut all these strings off. I don't have the iron on, so I can't really iron it yet. Not turned the iron on yet today. But we're getting ready to make something else here in just a minute. Oh, it's going to be so cute. I've seen them all over Facebook, TikTok, everywhere. I've seen these little things, and they are so, so cute. I'm just pressing this with a cold iron just to kind of press it open so y'all can see it a little bit better. Just kind of like a finger press, but with an iron because it's cold. Cold iron, but there you go. See? And I didn't have to mark them or anything. I just laid it down there and stitched it. Easy peasy. It does make your life a lot easier if you are making half square triangles. Yes, 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 it does. It makes your life a lot easier. So if you do not have some, it might be worth the $7.89 on Amazon to pick some up. And you get a pack of 4, and that would last you a long time, because you just use a little piece and you get a whole roll of it. So it'll last a long time. Who knows, it might even last the rest of your life, depending on how old you are, I guess. I know that probably would last me for the rest of my life. Because you don't replace it very often. This piece I've got on here has been on there almost a year, I guess. So, you know, you've got a lot. Many years of sewing. And I sew and stuff goes across mine every day. So it lasts a long time and it's easy to use. So go pick you up some. And I'll see y'all back here tomorrow for day number 10. It's getting closer.